Hello students, in continuation with the previous video, we shall see some more examples that will give you a basic idea, okay, or a clear picture on idioms and phrases. Now, before getting into the problems or the questions, we will just understand some tips and tricks to solve idioms and phrases. Now, the tip 1, understand the idioms and phrases and don't limit yourself to meaning alone. So, whenever you read an idiom or a phrase, do not limit yourselves to just the meaning, okay? Understand the scenario or the situation that is left behind, okay? Now, the tip 2, try to relate the idioms and phrases with visual and real image, okay? So, try to think about it, okay? So whenever you read a phrase or an idiom, just understand it visually, okay? Just see, okay, when ball is thrown out of the box, just think out of the box, why the ball is going out of the box. You're thinking it differently, okay? So that is how the figurative language gets addressed. Think somebody is throwing the ball outside, okay, and the ball, and someone is picking it up. So that is how you should think. Don't ever cram them and try to merge it all at once, okay? Don't try to pull everything all at once. Try to address it individually and think about it visually. Now, some commonly used idioms are to make matters worse, time flies when you're having fun, better late than never. Now, some commonly used phrases, the italicized words are phrases, I beg to differ. I have zero tolerance for this untidiness. My sixth sense says that it's all rain today. So, this is all about phrases and idioms. Now, the first question, okay? So, we shall address some more questions, okay? So that we will get used to solving phrases and idioms. The first question, you should select the correct option. Let's see the answer in the next slide, okay? All in all, the options are each person, everyone, call everyone at the same time, most important. Now, what will be the answer for all in all? Let it be an idiom. Now tell me the answer. So when you analyze the options properly, the answer would be, let's see, all in all signifies the crux or the minutes of any meeting or the most important points of any discussion. Okay, you have discussed it so far. When it is all in all, when a point is said and it is been told that it is all in all, means it is the most important thing that has to be addressed. So this idiom signifies all in all is about something very important, okay? Now next, here, you should choose the correct option for the given idiom. So, what is the idiom given here? To throw dust in one's eyes. The options are to cheat someone, to make blind, to harm someone, to mislead. So, when you throw a dust in one's eyes, what will happen? Okay, eyes cannot be just like if a person is standing and if a person is watching, okay, nobody can cheat the person, okay, but when it is said to throw dust in someone's eye is not the literal meaning, okay, you're not going to throw the dust in someone's eye. So now what will be the option, of which option will be right? Yes, the option D. Okay, you are trying to mislead, to cheat someone. You cannot have this answer as right. To cheat someone, that might not, to make them blind. If you throw dust on someone's eye, you will be making them blind. But that is not the literal meaning. That has to be addressed here. To harm someone also will not be the right option. To mislead. Okay, you are throwing. You are with the person, but you are misleading or deceiving someone by misinterpretation or distraction. Okay, you're distracting some person by doing something that will distract them to think out. Okay, so that is how this question could be addressed. Now the next question, to be rolling in money, it might be very rich or borrowing money, wasting money, spending more than in his income. Now what, see, first you eliminate what are the options that could not be right. Borrowing money might not be right, okay, so very rich might be right, wasting money cannot even be right, so B and C option might not come. Spending more than his income, okay, so I think this will not be the right option also, because to be rolling in money, okay, now what will be the answer? The option A will be right. It means to be very rich. If they can donate 5 lakhs for charity, they must be rolling in money, okay, so other options might not be right, okay, borrowing money is not being very rich, or wasting money that is not the right option. Spending more than his income might not also be the right option. Now the last question: to pull one's socks up, it means to depart, to interfere, to try hard, to prepare. What will be the right options? Yes, D. It means that one should start working or studying harder because they had been lazy or careless. So he must pull his socks up if he wants to achieve success. Okay. So this is how the meaning goes on for to pull someone's socks up. So thank you for watching the videos. So stay tuned for more type of videos like this and understanding all the basic concepts in